We've made replacing the battery on the ValProbe RT easy to do in the field. Simply twist the housing unit counterclockwise. Then, ensuring you don't harm the battery board, remove the spring-loaded battery housing cap by pushing down gently and twisting it counterclockwise. Remove the old battery and replace it with the new battery provided by Kaye. Put the battery housing cap back on by lining it up, pushing in gently, and twisting clockwise. Every time you replace the battery, we recommend you also replace the O-ring. Start by gently removing the old O-ring. Next, apply a small amount of Krytox sealing grease to the tip of your finger and rub it around the entire O-ring. This is an important step in ensuring that the internal components of your ValProbe are not harmed while being used. Use the red O-ring for temperature sensors and use the black O-ring for pressure sensors. Then slide the new O-ring onto the ValProbe, ensuring that it's seated at the very top of the threads. Finally, twist on the housing unit, making sure it's snug and the O-ring is no longer visible. Always hand tighten. You don't need any tools to do this process. After you've replaced the batteries, you must reset them inside the ValProbe RT software. Turn on your ValProbe RT software and wake up your loggers. Then click the green Discover box. Choose the base station that you're using and then press the green Connect button. Highlight the loggers that you'd like to reset and then press Battery Reset. On the left-hand side, check off the batteries that you'd like to reset. Then choose the size of the batteries that are inside your loggers. If you've installed the half AA batteries into some loggers and the AA batteries into other loggers, you must do this procedure twice, once for each size battery. Then press Logger Battery Reset. Enter your credentials for the audit trail and then press OK. When the batteries reset, you will be taken to a report page that shows that the values have been reset to 100 and the status says Success. Now you're ready to continue using your Kaye ValProbe RT. When working in extremely cold conditions, we recommend using an extended battery. First, you'll need to attach an extended battery housing by lining it up with the grooves on the ValProbe and twisting it clockwise. Insert the new battery with the positive end going in first, then attach the spring-loaded battery cap by lining it up, pushing in gently, and twisting it clockwise. Finally, twist on the housing unit, making sure it's snug and the O-ring is no longer visible. Always hand tighten. You don't need any tools to do this process.